Good morning viewers, extreme virus is a warning against passing a threat to several regions across Indonesia. The Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency has reported a significant increase in the potential for heavy rainfall, strong winds and other extreme climate phenomena that could have widespread impact on the public. To take a closer look at the current situation, we're now connected with our reporter, Angga Saputra, who is on the ground in one of the affected areas. Angga, what's the situation like there at the moment?
Thank you, Mr. Lia. I'm currently accompanied by strong winds. Several streets are flooded and a number of streets have failed. Local sanitation and the Regional Disaster Management Agency (BPBD) have been working to clear debris and open access to the roads. Residents I spoke to say they are worried, especially since a localized flood threatened happiness in this area. One homeowner, Mr. Lina, told us her roof started leaking at the bigger and at the incident of her house. To explain the causes and potential impacts of this extreme weather, I'm here with a representative from the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency, BMKG, the head of the Observation Division, Mr. Alfiana. Mr. Alfiana, what the accident is causing the extreme weather on the day?
Thank you for the question. The extreme weather phenomenon that has been occurring is caused with several factors. Number 1. Sea surface temperature anomalies around the Java and Sumatra regions are quite high. Number 2. Local volcanic activity in the surrounding region has strengthened by faults and created vortexes. Number 4. Local volcanic activity in surrounding regions has strengthened by faults and created vortexes that result in strong winds. Number 3. A combination of high humidity and warm air. We estimate that his potential extreme heat may continue for the next 2 or 3 days. Therefore, we ask the public to keep their telling clear, monitor weather update from the MKG and prepare local question like if their homes are located in flood to flood areas.
Thank you, Mr. Alfiana, for your explanation from the flight herein. Mr. Lia, it is clear that residents have begun preparing for the possibility of shelter.
Thank you, Angga, for the report. Viewers, this extreme virus is not a simple matter. It's causally tied to climate change and the increasing risk of hydrometeorological disasters. We encourage you to stay updated with the latest weather information from the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency and follow all official advisories. Make sure that you have an emergency plan wherever you are. I'm Lia, and that concludes tonight coverage of the extreme weather situation. Stay alert, stay safe, and good night.